You should have quit already. Everyone else did. The strong ones, the loud ones, even the ones who said they'd never break. Gone. And now, it's just you. Your body is failing. Your legs feel like they'll collapse any second. But the real question is, why are you still going? It didn't start like this. You weren't exhausted. You weren't broken. You were just someone who made a decision. To not quit. It sounded simple back then. Almost easy, but decisions are cheap. Until they cost you something. The first test hits. It's harder than you expected. Long runs, heavy loads, no rest. You feel it early, that small voice in your head. This isn't worth it. You ignore it. Because quitting now would be embarrassing. But that voice doesn't go away. It just gets louder. Now your body starts to break. Blisters tear open. Your muscles burn constantly. Sleep becomes a memory. Food barely matters. Everything hurts. And this is where most people quit. Not because they're weak, but because the pain never stops. Now it's different. There's no shouting, no chaos, just silence. You're alone, walking, carrying, enduring. No one is watching, no one is pushing you. And that's the problem. Because now, there's nothing stopping you from quitting, except you. This is where it gets dangerous. Your body, it's already gone. But your mind is trying to save you. Stop now. You've done enough. No one will blame you. It sounds logical, even smart, and for a moment, you almost believe it. This is where most soldiers disappear. Not physically, mentally. You're at your limit. Everything in you is screaming to stop. Your legs shake. Your vision blurs. Even standing feels impossible. You don't feel strong. You don't feel brave. You just feel finished. And yet, you take one more step. Here's the truth no one tells you. The ones who make it aren't the strongest. They're not the fastest. They don't feel less pain. They just do one thing differently. When their body says stop, they don't listen. Now look around. There's almost no one left. The confident ones, gone. The talented ones, gone. And somehow, you're still here. Not because you're special, but because you made a decision and you kept it, even when it hurt, even when it didn't make sense, even when quitting would have been easier. This was never about being the best. It was about being the one who didn't stop. Because in the end, that's all it takes. Not talent, not luck, just the ability to keep going. When everything in you says quit,